Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today it's 5th of June and I am 4th class teacher of Junior English. My name is teacher Iram. Today our topic is words with more than one meanings. एक से ज़्यादा मायने वाले अल्फाज. As we know that we have many words which have two or more than one meanings. Some words have more than one meanings. The miser was too mean to buy himself food. Some words much mean much the same as other words. For example, we have train. First train is used for railway and other train is used for to train someone. We use stamp, sound, stone, swallow, score, spoke, check, letter, can, light. These all words have more than one meanings. So now today we will fill our activity A and activity B with the help of these words. Some words are given over here. Let's see these words. Check, hiding, lock, score, sound, spoke, stamp, stone, swallow, train. These all words have more than one meanings, and with the help of these words we will fill our activity A. So let's see our activity A. Number 1. You should check the working of every sum. We will fill this with check. Number 1. Another. Farmer Brown wore a check suit. We will fill number 1 with check. Both fill in the blanks will be filled with check. CHECK, check. Number 2. In every cold weather, workmen stamp their feet to get warm. Stamp their feet to get warm. Another part. I put a stamp on the letter and posted it. Number 2, we will fill this with stamp. STAMP, stamp. Number 3. The train arrived at the station an hour late. Another part. Footballers train hard to keep fit. Number 3, we will be filled with train. It was quiet. Not a sound was to be heard. One apple was damaged. The rest were sound. Number 4 will be filled with sound. Number 5. Palm's plum had a huge stone in it. Another part. A big stone had broken the classroom window. Number 5 will be filled with stone. Number 6. The two boys were hiding behind the oak tree. Another part. His father gave him a good hiding for robbing birds' nests. Number 6 will be filled with hiding. Okay. Number 7. A swallow had built its nest under the eaves. Another part. His throat was so sore that he could hardly swallow. A forward's job is to score goals for his side. There are 20 in a score. When people go out, they should lock their doors. There were 2 boats in the canal rock. Number 10 देखें. Nobody spoke a word during the music. Spoke, speaking, spoke. There is a bent spoke in the front wheel of Roger's bicycle. So activity A is filled. Now we will see our activity B. Let's see. In activity B, we will make 10 sentences with the help of these words. We will make 2 sentences of each word. Can. So let's see the sentence of can. आप इस तरह से लाइंस ड्रॉ करेंगे उस पर बुक पे, ठीक है, और उसके बाद आपने इसी तरह से लाइंस ड्रॉ करके और आपने ये सेंटेंसेस इस बुक पे इस तरह लिखने हैं. कैन. Man cannot do whatever he likes. First sentence, we will make another sentence of can. It's a can of milk. Can के 2 sentences हो गए. उसके बाद अब हम देखेंगे नंबर 2 पे हमारे पास क्या है. राइट. Let's see. They might. The might is right. Another sentence. It's a right question. नंबर 3 हमारे पास अब क्या है? ट्रंक के हम लोगों ने 2 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. द ट्रंक ऑफ द एलिफेंट मेक्स इट्स लाइफ ईजियर. Trunk. One trunk is elephant's trunk and other trunk is she packed all her new dresses in blue trunk. This trunk is sandook or box, suitcase. Okay. Another next one देखें. Cats can see even if there is no light. Another sentence is light. Okay. We will make the light 2 sentences of light. She felt very light. This light is heavy and light. She felt very light after exchanging her clothes. So our page number 64 is completed. Now let's see page number 65. Opposites. Our topic is opposites. Opposites mean muttazad. We will fill our activity A and activity B with the opposites of these all words. As we know that every word has opposite word. Let's see, some words are given over here. Coward. Coward's opposite is hero. Few, many. First, last. Float, sink. Forget, remember. Found, lost. Friend, enemy. Lose, tight. Narrow, wide. Often, seldom. इसी तरह से हमारे पास अब हैवी, लाइट, रफ, स्मूथ, फ्रेंड, एनिमी, डीप, swallow, last, first, tough, tender. These all words have opposites. So let's see activity A. We will fill in the blanks with the opposites of these words which are given in bold type. We watched the tin float for some time, then it began to sink. Float's opposite is sink. In battle, the soldier who was taught to be a coward का हमारे पास अब क्या था? Hero. So we will fill with hero. Coward proved himself a hero. नेक्स्ट वन देखें हमारे पास क्या है नंबर 3 पे. He has hundreds of friends. Friends opposite is enemy and no enemy. The trousers were too tight. Tights opposite is loose. So in the legs and too loose in the waist. James is usually first up and last to go to bed. First and opposite is last. Number 6. The ring which was lost in the morning, lost opposite is found, was found in the afternoon. The river was very narrow. Narrow का हमारे पास opposite क्या होता है? Wide. So narrow at its source but very wide at its mouth. Robert remember. Remember का हमारे पास होता है forget या forgot. To post his father's letter but forgot to stick a stamp on the envelope. Number 9. Jean often visits us but we seldom see Sandra. Many people seek fame but few find it. Now let's see activity B. Same like activity A, we will fill our activity B. We have some fill in the blanks and we will fill them with opposites words. Lost, found. Smooth, rough. Friend, enemy. Deep, shallow. Few, many. Below, above. Last, first. Tough, tender. Tight, loose. Busy, idle. Often, seldom. Dead, alive. Remember, forgot. Cheap, dear. Wide, narrow. Wise, foolish. Float, sink. Hard. Float, sink. Hard. Thirst, hero. Coward, bright, dull. So today's our lecture is completed. I hope you all will understand and you will fill your books pages 64 and 65 very easily, and our lecture is completed. Allah Hafiz.